Hello and welcome back to another review of the Diecast car with my name is Polo, and today we are going to review this 85 Honda City Turbo 2 from Hot Wheels J Imports number 5 from 5 series 149 from 250. This is the 2025 lot. Yes, this is the City Turbo artwork here, and this is the City Turbo from inside the bubble here, looking great. And this is the back of the card of this Honda City Turbo. Let's go unboxing it. Okay, let's go. We open this City Turbo here. This is the artwork of the City Turbo. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this is the regular treasure hunts of a 2025 here of the City Turbo, but I don't see any sign of a silver flame here on the right side of the car. Maybe you will find it on the left side of the car. Interesting, but actually I think the flame logo is placed on the both of the side of the car, right? Or just on the side body of the car, I don't know. But let's go. We open it. Forgot to show you where's the flame here. It's quite to see here, but you can see here there the flame logo. Okay, whatever, let's go unboxing it. Where is the flame logo? I ran it of this. There you go. That is the wait a minute, I don't see. Okay. Okay, this is the Honda City Turbo here. Let's see from the left side first. It has a very nice green color here. It's a very, this one, I like this City Turbo here. Nice. I only had the 2080 or 2090. It came in the white color. The City Turbo is looking great. The door handle, the keyhole, the fuel cap here, nice. Another livery is also looking great here. Came with the red steering wheels with the black interior there. Seats and the dash is black. The rims match color for the rims. Let's see for the front of the car. As you can see, the detail there for the headlights, nice. The detail for the indicator light is also looking great. I wonder what is the detail of this on the grille here, because I don't see the detail for the grille there. There's nothing on the grille here. Here on the artwork here, there's nothing here on the grille. Meanwhile here, you see right here, what's with the grille here? Okay, it's okay. Now this is the logo of a regular treasure hunts is on the hood. I noticed it. Nice. The right side is the same as the left side of the car, looking great. The rear parts of the car here, actually it has the detail for the tail lights there, the license plate, the indicator lights, and the trunk here. And inside the trunk here, you can see maybe 3 motorcycles there. 1, 2, and 3 there. There's a 3 motorcycle inside the trunk. Interesting. I wonder if they made the other series of this just like this. Okay, this is the way it looks from the top. Okay, and the base here, Honda City Turbo 95 2017 metal made in Malaysia, with a minor detail on the base. You can see there's only exhaust there below the door.